Hello, in this video I will show you how can you get rid of space in the sides of your swatches when you have vertical rectangle images. So first of all, we have two options here. First option, if you don't care about the sides of this image, you can just change fit option. So this will kind of crop some parts of your image and bring your image to the center, but you may not prefer it because it's cut some parts of image, and based on your situation it may not be the best solution. Let me just go back to the previous option, and second option what you can use is to change height ratio. So basically you can play with this part, and until you find the perfect ratio you can just keep playing. So I think for me this is the perfect ratio here, and that looks perfect in this ratio. So if I click done, this is how my swatches are going to look, and it's not taking unnecessary space and shows images perfectly to the customers so they can see them better. Yeah, that's basically how can you make your swatches looks better and more optimized with the space. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.